10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Geography Unit 3 India Climate. What type of climate found in India? Tropical monsoon. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. Why? Because a greater part of India lies in the tropical zone and its climate is greater influenced by the monsoon winds. Mention the factors which influence on the climate of India. Location, water bodies, relief features and monsoon winds. The climate of India varies from one region to another and from season to season. Why? The main factors which influence on the climate of India are location, water bodies, relief features and monsoon winds. Due to this, the climate of India varies from one region to another and from season to season. Fifth one, mention the climatic seasons of India. The winter season, the summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon seasons. These are the climatic seasons of India. Which is the winter season month in India? December to February. Which is the summer season month in India? March to May. Which is the rainy season month in India? June to mid-September. Which is the retreating monsoon season month in India? Mid-September to November. The temperature and humidity are low and the sky is clear during the winter season. Why? During winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over the southern hemisphere. India gets oblique rays of the sun. Which is the coldest month in India? January is the coldest month in India. Which place has recorded the lowest temperature in India? Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature in India. During which seasons India gets 2% of its annual rainfall? During winter season. Which season is the lowest rainfall season in India? Winter season is the lowest rainfall season in India. During the summer season, the temperature is high in India. Why? The sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. That's why the temperature is high in India. Which place has the highest recorded temperature in India? Ganganagar has the highest recorded temperature in India? What is Andes? Convectional rain occurs in Uttar Pradesh is known as Andes. What is Kala Baisakis? Convectional rain occurs in West Bengal is known as Kala Baisakis. What is mango showers? Convectional rain occurs in Kerala is known as mango showers. What is coffee blossom? Convectional rain occurs in Karnataka is known as coffee blossom. During which season India gets 10% of its annual rainfall? During summer season, India gets 10% of its annual rainfall. What is the other name of rainy season? The other name of rainy season is the southwest monsoon season. The moisture-laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. Why? Since the temperature rises by the end of summer season, a low pressure area is developed over central India. On the other hand, there is high pressure over the Indian Ocean. Due to all these reasons, the moisture-laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. During which season India gets 75% of its annual rainfall? During the southwest monsoon season. Name the two branches of the southwest monsoons, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The heavy rainfall occurs to the western side of the Western Ghats. Why? The Arabian Sea branch strike the Western Ghats. That's why the heavy rainfall occurs to the western side of the Western Ghats. What is rain shadow area? The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. It is known as rain shadow area. When does the Bay of Bengal branch cause heavy rainfall? When it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam, the Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall. Where does heaviest rainfall occur in India? In Mawsynram, heaviest rainfall occurs in India. Where is Mawsynram? Mawsynram is in Meghalaya. In early October, the southwest monsoon starts retreating and starts blowing from the northeast towards the sea. Why? Due to decrease of temperature and high pressure. During which seasons India gets 13% of its annual rainfall? During the retreating monsoon season, India gets 13% of its annual rainfall. During which season the coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha get rainfall? During the retreating monsoon season. The retreating monsoon season causes damage along east coast. Why? Tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season and cause some damage along east coast. Which place receives least amount of rainfall in India? Roili. Which is the driest place in India? Roili. Where is Roili? Roili is in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. In which zone Mawsynram is located? Mawsynram is located in northeastern India.